Hello, third grade, and welcome to grammar for this week. This week, we're going to be learning about abstract nouns. Now, you have probably already learned about concrete nouns. Those are nouns that you can see, taste, touch, or feel. So an example of that would be a giraffe. You can see a giraffe. It might be pizza is another noun. That's something you can taste. A cell phone would be something you could touch. You could also see it. Or maybe a camera. All of those are examples of concrete nouns. If you're trying to determine if a noun is concrete, you can ask yourself, can I see it? Can I taste it? Can I touch it? Can I feel it? If you can, then that is a concrete noun. Now, abstract nouns are things that you cannot see. They are things like ideas or feelings, or maybe a character trait. Maybe like compassion, or love, or luck. All of those are examples of an abstract noun. Because you can't see an idea, you can't see a compassion, you can't touch a love, you can't feel a luck. So those are all abstract nouns, things that you cannot see, but they are things. They are still nouns. Sometimes artists draw abstract paintings that look kind of like what they're supposed to be, but not exactly. Here's a picture of an abstract painting. Now you can see that maybe you could see that there's probably maybe people in there. We don't really know, but it's not exactly something you can see. It's something that maybe you feel. So maybe you feel happy when you look at this. So that can kind of help you understand what abstract means. It's not specific. Concrete is specific, and it's something you can touch, feel, taste, and look at. For your activity today, you are going to be determining if these nouns are concrete or abstract. Remember, concrete, you can see it, touch it, feel it, taste it. Abstract, you cannot. So we will do the first couple together, and the rest you will do on your own. Let's go ahead and begin. Make sure that you are on page 7 on your class kick. Pause the video if you need time to get there. All right, so let's first look at Alex. Is Alex someone we could see? Yeah, if someone says, hey, look, there's Alex, we could see Alex. So that would be a concrete noun. So everybody write Alex inside that column. What about frog? Can I see it, touch it, taste it? I can see a frog. I know what a frog looks like. There's a picture in my head when I see the word frog. So that is concrete. I'm going to cross these off as I go so I make sure I don't do them over again. We're going to do 2 more together. What about truth? Can I see truth? Can I touch it? Can I taste it? Can I show it to someone? No, that is an abstract noun. Truth is an abstract noun. Go ahead and type that in. We'll cross it off. What about joy? Can I see joy? I can see someone smile, but a smile I can see. I can't see joy, so I can't see that. Can I touch it? Can I taste it? Can I feel it? No. So that means it is an abstract noun. If I can't show someone it, then it is an abstract noun. That is a feeling. Remember, feelings are an abstract noun. For the rest of the words, you'll be asking yourself the same questions. Can I see it, touch it, taste it, show it to someone? If you can, it is concrete. If you cannot, it is abstract. Once you are finished with this worksheet, you are done for grammar for the day.